Go.
All right, here we have lot 164. This is a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower variable speed milling machine. The spindle variable speed. I'm in the high range. Brake works. Back to the high range. I have my quill feed engaged. This is reverse. That would be forward. I'll engage it. Notice the quill scale works. Alright. I'm going to move it into the low range for you. That's reverse. There's the low range. The lower speed ranges, still variable, still working. I do have a drawbar, a collet in the drawbar. This is the Tech 2 digital readout. It goes to 0.005, Y works. X works. That's your Bridgeport.